If you are thinking about upgrading your domestic machine and want a workhorse, this machine is a beast. Hi everyone, I just did something really fun, and yesterday I ordered the Juki TL Series 2000 QI. It's like a hybrid between an industrial and a domestic machine. I've been actually eyeing this machine for a while now, since a friend told me about it about 2 years ago. And because I already have an industrial machine, I thought, oh, I don't need it. But recently have been working with a lot of denim and decided that I'd love a tabletop machine that could also sew through denim. I don't think I said this before, but this is a straight stitch machine only, similar to my Juki. So it only does straight stitch, it does not do zigzag. But for someone who is serious about garment making and wants a machine that can go through several layers of really heavy fabric, whether you're a bag maker, whether you use a lot of denim, corduroy, etc., any sewer who uses very thick fabrics, including leather, would appreciate either of these machines. All right, here we go, here it is. And also the throat space here on the machine is a lot larger than your average domestic machine. I'm actually not truly sure how it fits in there just yet, so maybe I shouldn't, but I'm going to anyway. It would fit on there something like this, but like, look how long that is. Like, that's a pretty big surface area, and I think that's perfect, especially for when I'm sewing jeans, which I'm gonna test this bad boy with soon. So now I'm gonna get this thing set up and threaded. What I love too about this machine right off the bat is that your longest stitch length is actually 6. Which on a regular domestic, the longest stitch length you can go to is 4. My Juki actually only goes to 5, so I love that this has such a long stay stitch or basting stitch. I'm really excited to try that out. And really quickly, this is what the machine comes with: a screwdriver, a spool cap I believe, several bobbins, some needles, a little specific screwdriver, an actual screwdriver, a walking foot, and some oil. But yeah, basically I'm gonna set this up, go ahead and thread it, and come back to test to see if it can work with some jeans that I'm sewing. And of course we need to read this manual very quickly just to make sure I don't do anything crazy. Just to make sure I don't do anything crazy to this machine. So now we are stitching in the ditch, my least favorite part of sewing because you have to be so exact, but we'll just take it slow, guys. Hi everyone, I feel like it's been forever, but the pants are done. And this little guy here did such a good job. Okay, hold on, let me show you the pants first. So here are the jeans that machine just sewed, the Juki. They turned out really nicely. I wish I could give you more of like a full body, but it went through that denim really well. Actually, I'm not gonna show you too much of those pants because they're actually a secret for a little bit, just for a little bit. But the Juki TL 2000 QI worked so well. This machine is a beast. Like, I have not felt happier sewing on a sewing machine than this one. I have since sewn like 3 other projects with this machine since finishing these pants. As you can tell, we're in a new studio. Some things have changed, but I have to say I am very, very impressed with this sewing machine. I look forward to updating you guys more on how I use the machine, what this space becomes, because we're in a new studio space. And yeah, hopefully it'll fill out in here soon, because I just moved in a week ago. But I wanted to finish this review video because this machine here, my new son, is so amazing, and so far has been definitely worth it. If any of you have sewn with this machine, let me know in the comments down below. And if you'd like an update video a few months from now, let me know as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in my next video. See you guys later.